Hey, Paul with BuyTruckWheels.com. Got our black 17 by 6. This is our 8 on 200 pattern. So this is going to fit either your Ford F350s or your Ram 3500s starting in 2019. The Ford and Ram both are the same pattern, but they do have a slightly different center hole. So check, make sure you're getting the right ones. They should be listed properly on the website if it's for Ford or Ram, but don't think that they're interchangeable. So we've got our classic round hole design, satin black. It's going to be done on both front and rear. So you can see, the wheel is satin on both sides. You're going to come with one of our matching black center caps, and obviously for the front you'll have the shorter center cap on that deep side. You will have your taller top hat, but matching in that satin black. On the kits for these, we will have them made up 4 different options with the black caps, and you can go just your black regular bullet style nut. You can go with a spike nut, or if you want a little contrast, you can do your chrome, spike, or your chrome bullet style nut. So we'll have a couple different options there in terms of your lug nuts, but you want to stick with your stock 17-inch tires. You're good to go here with the 17 by 6 Northstar Satin Black, nice and clean, great looking finish. We think it's a really good addition to the lineup. So this is going to be 570601, and then if you have a Ram, it's going to add an R at the end. So 570601R for Ram, or F for Ford, and then a black for the black color. But yeah, any questions, let us know.